Dear students and audience, Assalamu alaikum and welcome to Live with Hassan Akhtar. Students, on today's lesson related to class 7th unit number 1. Today we are to discuss associative property of sets. Let's proceed for definition first. If A, B and C are any three sets, then A union within bracket B union C is equal to within bracket A union B union C is called associative property of union of three sets. Likewise, for intersection of three sets, for any three sets A, B and C, we have A intersection within bracket B intersection C is equal to within bracket A intersection B intersection C is called associative property of intersection of three sets. Students, you can notice that on the left hand side second and third set are within brackets, whereas on the right hand side first and second set, these are within brackets. Moreover, the same sign, for union, same union symbol is operated, and for intersection you can see intersection symbol on both the sides. Let's proceed for the application towards the exercise. We have exercise 1.4. We select question number 2. Statement says if set x is equal to 1, 3, 7, set y is equal to 2, 3, 5 and set z is equal to 1, 4, 8, then verify that. Part number 1, that is associative property of intersection, and part number 2, associative property of union. We will verify one by one. Let's proceed towards the solution of part number 1. We have the left hand side x intersection within brackets y intersection z. Rewriting and utilizing the intersection of y and z. First, we have written all the three sets 1, 3, 7 intersection within brackets set y 2, 3, 5 intersection set z 1, 4, 8. Now we will see that the common elements in set y and z. Well, clear, no element is common, so this answer will become empty and we have 1, 3, 7 intersection empty set. Students, remember that empty set having intersection with any set always results in an empty set, so our answer becomes empty set and we give our answer as number 1. Proceeding towards the right hand side on the next page, we have the right hand side, that is x intersection y within brackets intersection z. Writing the values given in the question 1, 3, 7 intersection 2, 3, 5 intersection 1, 4, 8. Here, well clear that among the first two sets x and y, element 3 is common, so we have set having element 3 intersection set having elements 1, 4, 8. Again, well clear, nothing is common in these last two sets, so again we have our result as empty set. We give this result as number 2. From 1 and 2 we have proved that associative property of intersection has been verified. Hope it is clear to all. We move towards the next part, that is associative property of union. And the question is same and the sets are same. Starting the solution of second part, left hand side is equal to x union within bracket y union z. Writing the elements of the sets 1, 3, 7 union 2, 3, 5 union 1, 4, 8. 1, 3, 7 remains same in the next step, union, taking the all elements, that is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 8. Now in the last step, the two sets, we have to take their union. We will combine all the elements. Our final result becomes 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 7, 8. Point to remember, dear students, here that in set order does not matter. I have written the elements 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 7, 8 in order, but if anyone is writing without order, that is also correct. This is our number 1 answer. Proceeding next to the right hand side, we have X union Y within bracket union Z. Now writing the values given 1 3 7 union 2 3 5 union 1 4 8, taking the union of first two sets, that is X and Y, we have 1 2 3 5 7 union the last one, that is set Z 1 4 8. Now combining all these, we have 1 2 3 4 5 7 8. You can observe that 1 and 2 both are same. So from 1 and 2 we have verified that associative property of union has been verified. Thank you very much. Have a very nice time.